Permissionless entry means anyone can join a system or network without asking for approval, like walking into a public park. It's open doors for all. Let's understand how this works. Welcome to BlockShape. I'm Eliot, here to make money ideas easy. Picture this. You want to play soccer after work. Do you need to ask someone for a ticket, or can you just show up and kick the ball? What if the rule was that anyone could join instantly? No questions asked. That small difference changes the whole game. So why does it matter for money? Think of a village hunt. The rule is simple. Any villager who wants to join can grab a spear and step in. No leader decides who is allowed or not. The hunt grows stronger because every willing person can take part. Permissionless entry works the same way in blockchain. It means you don't need an invitation or license to become part of the network. If you want to send a transaction, run a node, or help secure the system, you can. Just like villagers grabbing spears, you grab the software and connect. So why this matters? Because it removes gatekeepers. Anyone can record ownership of digital art, store a receipt, or sign a contract on a blockchain without asking a company or government first. The openness makes the system harder to block, fairer to use, and safer from central control. So now you understand the meaning of permissionless entry. Here are the key terms to remember. Permissionless entry. Permissionless means no permission needed. An entry means you can step into the blockchain network anytime. Villagers on the hunt. Users connecting freely to the network. Open doors. Transactions recorded without gatekeepers. Fair system, shared access that makes the network stronger and more secure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.